Dick, all right. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm out of property. This property is on the market. And I just wanted to share something with you because it's something that I look for whenever I'm trying to, evaluate a deal for the fund. So this one is good. It's 70 units, 70 units, fully occupied. They've already kind of done some renovations on the roof and things like that, but there's still some value adds here. Like you can raise the rents, but it's well kept. So as you guys can tell, it's a nice property. It's big. It's got all the fixings, right? Especially for a 70-unit apartment building, you got 70 families living here. People, kids, things like that. So you got the playground, you got the swimming pool area, which is right there. It's nice. And the big thing is like, in a situation like this, for what we're doing, do I want a property like this in the fund? What's this property going to be? Like when we look, what do I think? From an investment standpoint in the portfolio, is like, what is this property going to be in 10 years? Right? The location's good. It's right across the street from church. Great shopping right down the way. But the reality of it is like, now it's a nice property, but would I buy this property? No, not this one. I like it, love it, and I really like it because of the size of the property, not necessarily because of the property itself. Because 70 units and above right now, 70 to 150 doors is about my strike area. So in my buy box is what I'm looking for. But I wanted to share with you guys something. When I'm looking at something, do I love the property? You heard me say it all the time. Like, do I love this property? Would I jump off the ceiling for this property? Would I go through hell and high water to to sell this to my investors, all the people who are going to be investing with me? Probably not. It's a great piece of property, but probably not. Size, great. Location, it's awesome. But in 10 years, I'm not sure what this property is going to do and why it's going to do what it's doing. And I'm not sure I can maintain that to say, the number one rule in real estate investing to us is don't lose money. And if, at any point this property, for me, it's a good piece of property, but at the same time, would it be something that I can tell my investors without, hey, dude, this deal will never lose money. This deal will always be here, never lose money. We won't have a dip, even with all the risk things that I would do, to make sure, like, if we drop residents, all that stuff. Because what really matters is if I love the deal. If I love the deal, I can sell the deal. I love the deal. I'll push the deal. I have confidence in it, but I can't say that for this one. But I wanted to share with you guys, because this is what I'm looking at. 70 units, still great location, but it's an older building. They say it's a B property. I say it's a C, just from the age and the work that needs to be done. Will they get it? I mean, I think they're asking 18 million for it, 18.5. They'll get it. Somebody will buy it just for lack of product on the market. But would I jump through hoops to offer on it? No. Can I lowball them and still get it? Probably, but why do that if I don't want the property? So anyways, just wanted to really shoot a short live video to kind of show you what I'm looking at, why I'm looking at it. Another reason, it's across the street from a mobile home park. Even though it's a stable mobile home park and everyone else loves them, I don't. Doesn't make me feel good. It's not something I want in my portfolio for 10, 20 years. So yeah, anyways, that was that. So I just wanted to share that with you, like what I'm looking at when I'm out looking at property, when I'm shopping real estate, why something's important, what's my decision-making things. And be honest with you, if I don't love the deal, I won't do it. If I don't think it's going to be here for 10, 20 years, if shit goes to hell or high water, in 2031 or 2032, 2041, do I still want this in my portfolio? Do I want Sharon and the boys to deal with it? Do I want your family to deal with it if you're one of our investors at any point? Probably not. So anyways, but I hope this video helps you to kind of get a better understanding when you're looking at stuff, why you're looking at it and for what purposes. For me, it's long term. Do I love the deal? Would I jump through hoops and walk over glass for it? If I can't say yes to that with no excuses, if I can't say yes, I won't do it. But anyways, hopefully you guys are looking at your own deals that way, or if you're thinking about walking in or investing with me in some of the deals that we're going to be doing, and you're an accredited investor, and you're liquid right now, you have at least 100 grand to be able to invest, give me a call, let's talk. But it's accredited only for Fund 1 that we have right now. and we're looking for bigger deals that are beautiful, things that are going to cash flow for us and hopefully have future appreciation, because like I said, nobody can guarantee that, but I'm not looking at deals that ain't gonna. But anyways, let's talk soon. Hit me up with any questions. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, private message me, and I'll go over what I'm looking at and how you can get involved in that if you want to get involved in the fund that we have going on right now. But again, you got to be an accredited investor only on that. Okay, let's talk soon.